Here's a Lakewood model 223 in tan. As you can see, I'd gotten this, I think, from Fanimation. Can't exactly remember which trip it was, but it is in tan, which is a little bit more uncommon for these, as they were transitioning to gray from the third gen K223s, or P223s in this case. With that said, we'll start up on low. Go to medium. Go to high. Then I'll go to off. Still uses the older style McMillan motor with the exposed rear motor shell for the bearing there. Yeah, believe this is still that. I think this is still the 2-amp motor. Yeah. God, it's gonna be hard to see it. Maybe not. Yeah, it still uses the 2-amp motor, 2.1 amp right there. I couldn't tell you where a date code is. It's so dusty in there. Yeah, I have no idea. Yeah, it's somewhere on there. Probably a 90 model. But anyway, that's it. Until next time.